So if I go to vector and then go under point and then grab component called distance, what this does, it's going to create, or it's going to calculate the distance between my point A, in this case the circle grid, and the point B, my attractive point. And if I pull out the panel here, what I'm seeing is I am seeing all these values, changed values over time here. So there are a couple of ways to handle this data, but let's put this in as my radius first. And what I'm seeing here is I'm seeing circles. I'm seeing this weird pattern, which could be cool, but let's see if we see any changes with the point. So if I change the point, things are changing, but the size of the circles are too